How to poke your friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to poke your friends on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the search section, you can just search for poke, and there on the search bar you can just tap on pokes. And now here in this section you can simply scroll down, and here you can just search for the friends that you want to poke to. And now here, once you've found that person, you can just tap on the poke option just beside the name, and that's it. Your friend will receive a notification that you poked them. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.